Shoes ka na, shoes. Let's go. O, tara, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Ah, ibig mo taking kwarto. Tara, let's go sa kwarto. Kwarto lang tayo, tara. Let's go.
Kiss mo na, Papa. Kiss mo na.
Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Yay! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. O, pakita mo daw yung shades mo kay Mama Josie. Yung shades mo. O, sit down ka properly dito. Pakita mo yung shades mo kay Mama Josie. Dali. O, yung shades mo kay Mama Josie. Pakita mo kayo yung shades natin kay Mama Josie. Wow! Wow! Pilipinas na! Ba! Oh, one more. Can I see? Wow! Wow! Summer na summer! Oh! Kikik! Ba! Thank you. Susuot ka? O, biyan naman. Susuot niya daw. O, biyan naman. Ba! Oh, baka ilalagay niya sa hair niya. Para pretty ang bebe. Oh, tadi, titingnan natin. Wow, bagay naman. Ay. Oh, kikik. Wait. Wait muna. Wait. Kikik. 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 Oh, Minmin naman. Kikik. Kikik. Mahulog siya. Okay, again. Oh, mahulog siya. Oo. Oh no! Hi. Oh no! Oh. Mwah. Mapili ka palalo ka niyan. Hi. Walking. Hop. Hop. Running. Running. Now we stop. O, sa'yo naman to, o. Tayong dalawa. O. Walking. Hop. Running. Now we stop. Ah! Mahon. Isip mo na. Walking. Hop. Running. Now we stop. Yeah. Kiss mo nga, Mama. Kiss Mama. Love mo, Mama. Love mo muna, Mama. Haba, Mama. Love. Aray. Love mo naman, Mama. Love. Love. Sarap naman. Kiss Mama. Oh, sit properly. Very good. Mahulog ka. Magbabasa tayo ng book. Oh, come here. Oh, tara. Book tayo, book. Come here. Come here. Dali. Read tayo, book. Gigilig ka na ng book. Come here. Huh? Uh-oh. Okay, ready? Are you ready? Oh, sit down. Sit down ka na, sit down. Babasa na tayo ng book. Walking. Hop. Hop. Running. Now we stop. Walking. Okay, akin na yan. Give it to me. Yeah. Give it to mama. Sana. O, dikit mo dito. Dikit mo. Very good. O, yan. Okay na. That's it. Don't remove. Okay na yan. Very good. Thank you. Oh, one more. Okay. Thank you. Very good. Yay.